I welcome all of you on platform of YourPedia Education. And as you know, YourPedia Education is the only dedicated and authentic channel for post-gate counseling. And this my video is for post-gate counseling. So it is now, I think, my fourth or third or fourth year into paid post-gate counseling. Earlier it used to be non-paid, but this paid counseling, I think this is third or fourth year. And very extensively, I mean, there are so many new features which have been added into post-gate counseling. So for the last now 2-3 years, there are 2-3 changes which have been brought into post-gate counseling. Let me tell you, number one, YourPedia is the channel which has come a long way in post-gate counseling, and we have got a lot of authentic information, and we can boast of having our students in almost every premium institute of India, whether it is IIScs or IITs or NITs or triple ITs or whatever institutes you say. And this particular, as I told you, we are proud to have that. But more important is like our main source of information are students and professors. So you must have seen that there are so many interaction with the professors who keep on telling us a lot of information about various good courses in IITs, and from there that information we pass it on to the students and guide them that which courses are really good for you. And second source of information, which actually is a primary source of information for us, is our own students. You must have seen that we have put so many recorded videos of the students जो अलग अलग courses में हैं, whether that is a very good course in NIT related to data science or rural technology or oceaneering or for that matter artificial intelligence. So core branch से लेके interdisciplinary department तक, ऑब्वियस डिपार्टमेंट से लेके हिडन डिपार्टमेंट तक, we have interacted with so many students, and personally I have interacted on Zoom with not less than 1,000 students this year across the different departments and across the different institutes to get the real authentic data. And that is the main source of information which you will also access. Now, two things I told you YourPedia has done in this year of lockdown, shutdown year. I tell you this was basically pandemic for the world, but we could make some use of this time also. I mean, having so many interactions with the students, gathering the data, holding online interviews, GDs, that is what we could do. Our offline classes were not going on, so we utilized that time in this particular entire process. And now I can very proudly say that our this module, post-gate counseling module, is has come to the level where really you will feel the value of your time and your money which you will invest on this particular thing. So one thing which we have done is we have made this module very authentic and full of information and purpose. Second is the cost has drastically been reduced this year because mass has increased. I know that as the number increases, because we have to hit somewhere about particular scale of business, so as the number of the students seeking this thing is going to increase, I'm going to reduce the cost also. That is what YourPedia has done for almost every product which we have launched. So cost we are reducing drastically, and whatever cost you will invest, whatever investment you will do for PGC, post-gate counseling, that will be value for your money. And you know, I don't know, there is a misperception in India, I don't know the reason for that, that okay, they are charging for this. You know, if we do not charge, quality will not improve. I'm also a teacher of quality. And you know, quality of the product, I'm not saying very high cost is the criteria of quality, I'm not saying that, but if I'm to improve the quality of the product, I need to basically charge for that, because obviously otherwise how can it be done? So we need to keep some kind of cost. What matters is whether you value for that. There is something which is called ROI, return on investment. So if you invest, let's say 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees on some product, and if you get back the value, then that is the value for your money. And I assure you, through your PGC, you are going to get far more return on your investment than you expect. So that certainly is going to help you. And this is the most crucial part. At 1/10 of the cost which you incur, which you spend on your getting coaching and getting score, at 1/10 of that, your PDA team is going to convert your score into selection. Listen again, at 1/10 of the cost which you spent to get the score, whatever score you got or you have not got the score, at not even 1/10 of the cost, we are going to convert your score into selection, and not only selection but into career. That is the point. And why this post-grad counseling is such a important thing, because students do not know where to apply, how many departments to apply, core, non-core, MS, MTech, direct PhD, what career options after that. Sir, should I go into Satara? Should I go into rural technology? Should I go into oceaneering? Sir, should I take artificial intelligence, or should I go into VLSI? Sir, should I go into VLSI NIT Trichy, or should I take control system in IIT Mandi? So these kind of queries and doubts are there in the mind, and one right decision is really going to help you. And you know, whatever cost, whatever charge your PDA is going to take from you for this counseling, in 1/3 of your first month scholarship, that is going to be returned. So surely you will get the scholarship once you apply in the places. I also request you to think of applying as many places as possible. So let's now launch the most authentic, most exhaustive, and most trustworthy module of your PDA, post-gate counseling module. So let me make you aware about this. So what are the various components of post-gate counseling? Let me tell you, these are the 13 things which we are going to provide you. First, where to apply and how many institutes you should apply, we are going to tell you very clearly. Sir, my BTech percentage is 75%. I am from electrical background. Sir, I am OBC and my let's say gate score is 413. Tell me, sir, where should I apply? You know, this question is the most ticklish question. And who do you think can answer this? If anybody is to answer this, he should have data. He should have lot of information of the students similar to your category, similar to your branch, similar to your CGPA, similar to your gate score. So what are the 4 parameters? Branch, electrical engineering. Category, OBC. SC, ST, Journal, EWS. Third, CGPA or BTech percentage. Fourth, gate score. Give me these 4 things and I tell you from where you are going to get call. And you know, there are hundreds of departments. I'm not going to ask you to apply in 100 of departments. Minimum 10 departments I'm going to ask you to apply. Minimum 10. Maximum, more the better. There are students last year who have applied not less than 50 places, got selected in, let's say, 3 to 4 places. And I tell you, if you apply and if you get selected in really good place, your money will be returned. How much you will spend in applications, that money will come in a scholarship of 1 month or 2 months itself. And career is more important. So I'm going to ask you to apply. Be mentally prepared. So if you say, sir, tell me only 2 places where should I apply, I will not tell you. I will not tell you only 2 places. I'm going to ask you, request you, and basically push you and pressurize you to apply not less than 10 places. More can be, on an average, if you ask me, 15 places, 15 to 20 places on an average. Maximum can be 30 to 40 places, depending upon your level. Your score is very less. I mean, your BTech CGPA is less, score is also less. बीट आपका गेट निकला ही नहीं है, तब मैं क्या करूं, तो ज्यादा जगह अप्लाई करेंगे so that probability बढ़ जाए. So probability of getting calls and hence selection is more if you apply more. So I'm going to request you to apply in 10 places minimum, average 15 to 20 places, maximum can be 30 to 40 places depending upon our things. So where to apply, how many institutes to apply, that is our prerogative. Your PDA team is expert in that. Last date, new courses, every IIT is launching new courses. How do we know about the new courses? Through our students. They keep on telling you, next year you join NIT Trichy, next year you join IIIT Bangalore. You are going to tell me, sir, this is the new course has come, and we are going to keep that in our mind. That is what we do entire day. Through your interaction, I'm going to ask you, अच्छा कुछ और बताओ यार, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है institutes में और क्या क्या चीज आ रहा है. Through you, through professors, we get to know the same thing. So what is your PD actually? Students and professors and interaction in the campuses, you know, that is what we do. So this new courses. Department eligibility criteria. Can I apply in artificial intelligence of IIT Ropar? Can I apply in mechatronics department of IIT Patna? Sir, is there any mechatronics department in other NITs also, and can instrumentation student apply? Sir, can civil engineer apply in data science department? Sir, can civil engineer apply in energy studies department? Eligibility. Are you eligible? Agriculture, biotechnology, so many departments. And let me tell you, this is counseling is open for all the departments of engineering. So which department you are eligible? SOP, SOR, LOR. You know, this is not difficult but not easy also. Students fear it. Why they fear? Because they've never done it. So SOP, SOR, LOR is very important if you are want to apply for MS and PhD courses, and MS courses are really good. So without SOP, SOR, you cannot apply in MS courses, and this is what your PDA team is going to help you in that. Written exam guidance. So once you apply for MS, PhD, even MTech, there are written exams. Written exams and interview are there in MTech also. MS और PhD में तो होता ही है. Listen again, many of you think MTech में interview नहीं होता. Sorry, MTech में interview होता है. और जहां पे interview होता है वहां पे तुम्हें opportunity भी ज्यादा होती है सिलेक्शन की. पिछली बार ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू हुआ था जिसका योरपीडिया चैंपियन है, तो इस बार भी ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू होने के चांस हैं. द वे द स्पाइक इज कमिंग इन कोविड केसेस, सो अगेन द सिचुएशन इज गोइंग टू रिमेन द मोर और लेस सेम दिस ईयर ऑल्सो. सो this thing is we are going to tell you how to prepare for written exam also. Then mock and snap interview. You know, your PDA has come a long way. How to conduct a snap, ये word snap को सोने से relate किया जाता है. You know what is snap? 15 minutes of sleep. And you know what is snap in your PDA? 15 minutes of interview. That is where the difference is. So snap is the term we have coined, snap interview, जिसमें एक सब्जेक्ट छोटा सा इंटरव्यू और आपकी प्रिपरेशन होती रहेगी. स्नैप, रेगुलर मॉक, मेगा मॉक, that is something which we have categorized and it's the best way we can prepare. Telephonic, Skype, Zoom, mock interview, all these things, group discussion, GTs, etc. Group discussion, group task, case studies. This is an integral part of your PDA. Every day keeps on going. एंड आप देख भी रहोगे हमारे चैनल पे वो हर दिन अपडेट होता रहता है, तो यू विल ऑल्सो हैव द बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस. सो इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर निटी बॉम्बे, इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर लेटर ऑन सम PSUs और समथिंग, यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर इट. एंड हमने डाला है वीडियोस डालते रहते हैं कि विदाउट प्रिपरेशन ऑफ GD, GTs एटसेट्रा, एंड दीज थिंग्स टेक टाइम. इंटरव्यू, GD, GTs टेक टाइम फॉर प्रिपरेशन. अभी एप्लीकेशन शायद पीक अभी हिट नहीं होगा, 10-15 दिन के बाद एप्लीकेशन आएंगी, तब तक आपको ये प्रिपरेशन करना चाहिए. यू शुड लिसन टू द स्नैप्स, इंटरव्यूज, मॉक्स, and you should start participating in GDs etc. also. Project report guidance, don't misunderstand, I'm not going to write project for you, my mentor is not going to write project for you, but the project which you have written, we can very clearly tell you it is going to be acceptable or not in the IITs or in the departments where you apply. Majority of you do not do your project and internship seriously, and that is where we help you out. We tell you that this project which you are telling me is not worth presenting. In IITs and in the interviews and PSUs, nobody is going to take hard copy of your project. They are not going to ask you to bring your project. They are going to ask you at face कि project था क्या, explain your project, and that is where my mentors are going to help you. Can you tell me your project? तो आपने उसका टाइटल बताया, फिर वी डिग यू इन, हम 2-4 क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, एंड देन वी विल अंडरस्टैंड कि प्रोजेक्ट वर्थ है भी कि नहीं. We are going to help you in that. Whether your project is good or not, that is what we are going to tell you. And if it is not good, do something so that आप प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा एक्सप्लेन कर सकें, इंटर्नशिप अच्छी एक्सप्लेन कर सकें. सो सर, प्रोजेक्ट एंड इंटर्नशिप आर इंपॉर्टेंट. यस, दे आर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर इंटरव्यूज एंड ऑल. PSUs, yes, and public this your MS, MTech, PhD, yes, they are important. So क्या करना है सर? मैंने तो बनाया नहीं है, उसी की तो कंसल्टेंसी दे रहे हैं, उसी को तो हम गाइड कर रहे हैं. एप्लीकेशन फिलिंग वीडियोस, यस, एप्लीकेशन भरना कैसे है, so that our mentors are going to tell you. कुछ 20% videos are free, as you know, for every module 20% things are free on your PDA. So what you see on YouTube is 20% part of the entire story. That is a tip of iceberg, you understand that? So 80% is something which actually will be provided to you on panel. So I am sure you are not going to criticize me, because we have to earn also, and that is how we have to survive, and I am to survive my entire team. So that is the reason we need to make it module, paid module. CV preparation, yes, resume and CV is something which is very important, not long, कोई बहुत लंबा चौड़ा उसका रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होता. प्रोजेक्ट लिखने हैं, एकेडमिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स लिखनी है, अपना थोड़ा इंक्लिनेशन शो करना है, दैट इज कॉल्ड resume. We will share with you the typical resume. Dedicated WhatsApp group, yes. Now the modus operandi of your PDA is we put all our students in dedicated WhatsApp group where teachers are also there. So it is like a classroom, you understand? Classroom, students are asking, mentors are answering. That is what actually for the last now 1 year extensively WhatsApp group को handle करना, और वहां पे benefit देना कि एक बच्चे का इंटरव्यू लिया, उसको WhatsApp ग्रुप पे डाल दिया, सबको benefit हो रहा है. Believe me, it's wonderful. और वो 1 साल में हमारा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा है WhatsApp ग्रुप्स का. रेगुलर इंटरेक्शन विद द मेंटर्स, ये ब्यूटीफुल चीज है. रेगुलर इंटरेक्शन विद द मेंटर्स, थैंक्स टू दिस IT revolution, thanks to this media, thanks to this telephone, Zoom, etc., we are in position to interact with so many of you. At night 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, I'm having the GD session with the students sitting in Tamil Nadu, students sitting in Jammu and Kashmir, everywhere. That is a beautiful part of this, and hence we remain in regular contact with the students. That is also the very, very crucial part of this PGC. Now, telephone interaction with last year selected students. Now, what is this? Last year selected students in MTech, PhD, PSUs, MS, they are called profile members. Now, these profile members who are already sitting in IITs and all, they are generous enough, they are helping enough कि वो आप लोगों को गाइड करते हैं ऑन अवर रिक्वेस्ट. सो इफ आई रिक्वेस्ट सम ऑफ देम कि नहीं यार अब ये बच्चा है, इसको वहीं जाना है जहां तुम हो, तो इसको गाइड कर दोगे? बोले हाँ सर, क्यों नहीं, जरूर गाइड कर देंगे. ऐसे हंड्रेड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनका प्रोफाइल आई विल ओपन टू यू, एंड विद सम ऑफ देम, नॉट विद ऑल, विद सम ऑफ देम यू कैन टॉक टू एंड यू कैन आस्क मेरे को इसी डिपार्टमेंट में जाना जिसमें आप हो, और बताओ मैं कैसे जा सकता हूं. सो आई थिंक दे विल ऑल्सो गाइड. सो अदर देन mentors guiding you, teachers guiding you, these your seniors are also going to guide you through YourPedia. Listen again. Other than we mentors guiding you, we telling you something, your seniors who are sitting in those institutes now, they are also going to guide you. Like suppose you ask me, sir मेरे को बताओ NTPC join करूं कि IOCL join करूं? I may give you answer. But suppose you ask this question from Apurv, the student who recently got into NTPC IOCL also, then his answer is more relevant for you. Agree or not? So he will tell you better. And instead of you asking me कि सर मेरे को IISc में ये मिल रहा है, मेरे को IIT कानपुर में, बॉम्बे में ये मिल रहा है, क्या ज्वाइन करूं? It is better you ask someone जिसको ये चीज मिली है लास्ट ईयर, तो उसने क्या लिया, उसका आंसर ज्यादा रेलिवेंट है. And this is from where you get it. So these are the components of post-grad counseling. Believe me, to make all these things optimum and to come to this level where I'm telling you confidently that we have this product, it has taken lot of years for us, for all of us, lot of years. It is not year or 2 year or 3 years effort. It is many years effort. It is many years effort. And now I proudly tell you that this is what we are going to offer you, which will make your conversion of score into selection very, very optimum, and certainly it will help you. So let me move forward a little bit. So how you are to basically avail the YourPedia platform. The moment you go with us, the moment you basically go with the post-grad counseling module of YourPedia, this is what you are going to instantly get. Recorded interview experience of last year students. You have last year some student went for interview in NITI, let us say. Then I called him, or I had a Zoom interaction with him, and I asked him, what were the questions asked to you? Can you please tell? And I recorded that. Now that recording is there on the panel, so you can listen to this. You know, like the peak of applications and all will hit somewhere in the end of March. But present time, whatever present time we have, that we should utilize on listening to this. कि कैसा इंटरव्यू में क्या पूछता है, कैसा होता है? So at least you can prepare. Now snap interviews. I told you that we have interviews of every subject. सर VLSI की तैयारी करनी है, कैसे करूं? ये इंटरव्यू सुनो ना, इसमें टीचर क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है और उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर भी दे रहा है. उसको स्नैप इंटरव्यू बोलते हैं. एक सब्जेक्ट का छोटा इंटरव्यू. तो दिन में 10-12 सुनो ना तुम, 10-12 स्नैप सुनो, तुम्हारा सब्जेक्ट तैयार हो जाएगा. सर इंटरव्यू की तैयारी करें कैसे? यहां से करो. इंटरव्यू की तैयारी के लिए और कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म है? लेट मी टेल यू ऑनेस्टली, नहीं है. लेट मी टेल यू ऑनेस्टली, नहीं है. और मैं बड़े ऑथेंटिकली बोल रहा हूं, वैसे नहीं बोल रहा हूं, बिकॉज यू हैव द एक्सेस ऑफ यूट्यूब चैनल्स एवरीवेयर. नहीं है, तुम्हें नहीं पता लगेगा कैसे तैयारी करनी है, ऐसे ही पता लगेगा कि कैसे इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन करनी है. रिकॉर्डेड मॉक इंटरव्यूज. यस, मॉक इंटरव्यू जिन बच्चों के हुए हैं उनकी रिकॉर्डिंग, जिसका 20% यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी पड़ा होता है, यू कैन लिसन टू दैट ऑल्सो. सैंपल एसओपी एसओआर जो पिछले साल बच्चों ने बनाए हैं, उनके सैंपल आपके पास रहेंगे. कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं मारना है, पकड़े जाओगे. नया बनाना है, कैसे बनाना है, उसकी सारी गाइडेंस वहां पे पड़ी हुई है. रेलिवेंट यूट्यूब वीडियोस. यस, you know, YouTube and so many source, there are so many source of information nowadays. You need not to reinvent the wheel. सर मेरे को बताओ, मैं ये जो मशीन लर्निंग है, ये डाटा साइंस है, कैसे सीखूं? भाई YourPedia पे हमारे मेंटर के वीडियो पड़े हुए हैं, वो सुन लो. और MIT के प्रोफेसर के भी पड़े हैं, और NPTEL में प्रोफेसर के भी पड़े हैं, वो भी सुन लो. सर मैं मैटलैब तैयारी कैसे करूं? NPTEL पे है ना प्रोफेसर का, वो सुन लो. कहां पे है? यहाँ लिंक दे रखा है. तो जो भी YouTube पे हमें अच्छा YouTube पे जो free available है, whatever good video, free video is available on YouTube, that link is provided there. You go and access it and you start preparing it. So your PDA is not the only source which you have to refer. In fact, your PDA is of the opinion that wherever you find a good source of information, you should go there and you should learn it from there. But you should not waste your time in searching, because YouTube is a basically ocean of information. So you should not keep on searching. So can you find a good video of 30 minute on VLSI for me? Yes, I can do that. My mentors can do that, and we have done that, and that is here. So just now we have optimized your search. What your PDA has done? Optimized your search. So your PDA is a search engine for you now, which has optimized your search. So we are your SEO, search engine optimization tool we are. So we have done that for educational videos for you. Yes, the sixth point is my favorite. Access to and interaction with profile members. I told you last year was shutdown year. So how we utilized? We used to be in the classrooms earlier, then how we utilize this year? By interacting with the student across the length and breadth of India. I had Zoom interaction, excessive Zoom interactions with so many students all over India, recorded that and kept it for you. And I have asked them very, very categorical questions. कि तैयारी कैसे किया भाई, कहाँ से कॉल आया, कितने इंस्टीट्यूट से कॉल आया? Listen to that and make your own strategy accordingly. So this is previous years के जो बच्चे हैं जो select हुए हैं, उनके साथ तुम्हारा interaction, उनके साथ उनका वीडियो सुनो, और उनमें से कुछ स्टूडेंट्स के साथ आप interact भी कर सकते हैं. So that is also part of your PGC. Okay, done. So now I think this SOP SOR, how it is to be prepared, I am going to make a separate video on this. SOP SOR कैसे बनाना है वो सब हम लोग करेंगे. Now comes this particular part. I mean, I told you that we are going to make it paid module. Obviously, some information we keep on giving. Some students do not want to avail it. We provide them, we give them information otherwise also. But yes, those who seek the basically modules. So what we have created here is couple of modules, and this year we have created these modules. You know, this is Chandrayaan, this one is Mangalyaan, not clearly you can see this, and third is Gaganyaan. So this year we have created 3 modules in post-gate counseling. Chandrayaan is of this rupees plus GST. You know, this is the amount. So what is this for? Those of you who want to go for MTech, MS, direct PhD, and those who do not have qualified gate, those who have not qualified gate. Sir, is there anything for us, or life is over for us, those who have not qualified gate? I tell you, you have as bright career and life as gate qualified. Only thing is you need to see other institutes. Other means same IIT हैदराबाद में गेट वाला भी जा सकता है, नॉन गेट वाला भी जा सकता है, बिट्स में जा सकता है, और बहुत से institutes हैं which will reveal to you. So not less than 15 institutes are there where non-gate fellow can go. So non-gate people are to take this. Others who are seeking MTech, MS, direct PhD, they are also to seek this module, which is our basic module. And then those who have MTech and want to go for PhD, or those who want to go for Prime Minister Research Fellowship, or those who want to go for collaborative PhD. Collaborative PhD means PhD in association with IIT and foreign university, something like Queensland, or some more such courses keep on going with IIT Bombay, IIT Madras. तो ऐसे बहुत से आपके पास collaborative PhD हैं जिसमें one IIT and foreign universities are involved, right? So ऐसा कोई course है, then you have to go for this. So MTech to PhD, collaborative PhD, Prime Minister Research Fellowship, this is the module you have to take it. So largely of you, those who are seeking MS, MTech, PhD, direct PhD, this PhD is a direct PhD after BTech, go for it module, right? And non-gate also go for this module. But if you are MTech and then you want to go for it, go for second module. So whatever you will be given, so snap interviews, regular mock interviews, SOP, SOR facilities, that everything is written what you are going to get it. So that is very clearly mentioned. Now package number 3 is for those students who are expecting calls from PSUs. PSUs mein there is a GDs, etc. And I want to tell you one more thing, like, can you see here there is a plus package 1, whatever facilities are there in package 1, that obviously you are going to get, but in addition to that you are going to get something extra also. That is the meaning of it. So package 1 wala jo requirement hai, if you are in this also and if you are in this category also, then you can avail this particular package, something like that. And similarly, now if you want to go for NITI Bombay, all the students who are aspiring to be NITI Bombay, and I want to tell you one more thing. For the last 2-3 years, YourPedia and NITI Bombay is being used in synonym term by the students. Why? Because I have interacted with almost 60-70% of the students who appeared for NITI Bombay last year. NITI की जो requirements हैं, 3 कोर्स हुआ करते थे पहले, IE, PM, MM. लास्ट ईयर अलग तरीके का इंटरव्यू हुआ था when we were to record something and send it, and I clearly remember the kind of recording session we used to have. So NITI Bombay के लिए अगर preparation करना है, believe me, and I'm not boasting it off, there cannot be better platform than YourPedia. GD session and topics of GDs and how we are to answer why NITI and all, that is the best. So this time NITI में there are going to be IE, more number of seats of IT, and sustainability management course उन्होंने introduce किया है. So for that we are going to create it. And if your score is high, 750 plus आपका score है, PSU अगर आप सोच रहे हैं, start preparing. There are going to be PSUs this year more than last year. No doubt government is planning to privatize, but that has nothing to do with the seats of PSU this year. I think compared to last year it is going to be more, certainly it is going to be more, right? So ये सारा उसको आपको package number 3 में लेना है, and these are the facilities you are going to get into that. Now after this, what you have to do is this is I'm showing you directly from the web page. So once you read this all, just enroll and just purchase this module, go for this module, and we start preparing in the right domain. And many of the videos, how tomorrow I'm going to tell you what is the flow chart, how you should take the maximum benefit of all these things which are there. इसको करना कैसे है वो बाद में बताऊंगा. Once you do this, if you have any query, then you ask this. इज एग्जीक्यूटिव गुरविंदर सर का कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है ये. सो गुरविंदर सर से आप पूछ सकते हैं अगर आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन है. डू नॉट स्टार्ट कॉलिंग अननेसेसरी. इफ यू हैव नो क्वेरी, जस्ट गो एंड टेक इट. इफ यू हैव क्वेरी, देन ओनली यू कॉल इट. बट एज आई टोल्ड यू, इफ यू टेक एनी ऑफ द मॉड्यूल, इट इज गोइंग टू बी वैल्यू फॉर योर मनी. Otherwise, last year thousands of students we have mentored and they have got selected. Some of them have not got selected, but nobody has said, okay sir, this was not value for your money. Let me tell you honestly, out of thousands of students, nobody has said that. Reason being, there is a very simple mantra: keep the cost such that when the student get quality, he is assured, he's satisfied that the kind of quality is getting in money is more. So irrespective of whether you get result or not, he's satisfied. So last year thousands of students have taken this module, and we have rarely got any discontentment call from the students. So that means it is not going to be the case for you also. If you take any module of YourPedia, it is going to give you satisfaction at the end. You will say कि हाँ सब एक्चुअल में तो यही से मेरे को बेनिफिट हुआ है. आई हैव गॉट दैट इन कन्वर्टेड. सो इफ यू टेक इट एंड देन वी स्टार्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस later on. I think this is the end of this. So I'm going to make you another video now very soon, in which I'm going to tell you how you are going to access it. So ये जितने भी कंपोनेंट आपको अवेलेबल हैं, इनका कैसे आपने बेनिफिट उठाना है, जो यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है आपके पैनल के ऊपर, these 6 components. So how you are going to take the benefit of it, what is a flow chart, that video I'm going to make soon. And also many videos you are going to get where information will keep on we will keep on providing you. कहाँ से फॉर्म्स निकला है, कितना कितना फॉर्म्स निकला है, क्या उसका क्राइटेरिया है. And let me tell you one more thing. There are some hidden departments. I've told you many times there are some hidden departments, but I've never told you hidden departments. And obviously common sense, if I tell you about the hidden departments, they will not remain hidden departments. So there are so many hidden departments in IITs, in NITs, which very less people know, and these hidden departments keep on changing. So the hidden department 2 years back, no more is hidden. Sitara is no more hidden, because 2 years back I remember I told this is the hidden department, and then it was not at all hidden department. Now there are some more hidden departments created this year only. I mean, they are we know that 2 years के बाद जो बच्चा इसमें से जाएगा उसकी placement होगा, but they are hidden, nobody knows, very less people know. And these kind of departments will not be shown on this thing. They will be actually revealed on panel only. This is I'm not going to tell you this. I'm not telling you this to reveal, to attract you for this. I'm telling you this because स्टूडेंट्स कीप ऑन आस्किंग कि अगर सर आप सब कुछ यूट्यूब पे बता देते हैं तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को क्या मिलेगा. यूट्यूब पे हम 20% बताते हैं. तो अगर इस साल भी 10 नए हिडन डिपार्टमेंट अगर बने हैं तो 2 हिडन डिपार्टमेंट का इंफॉर्मेशन मैं अभी भी यूट्यूब पे सबको दूंगा, लेकिन 8 डिपार्टमेंट्स का इंफॉर्मेशन पैनल पे ही रहेगा. सो दोज हु आर आवर पेड मेंबर्स, दे शुड नॉट फील कि हमने पे करके हमें लॉस हो गया. आई होप दिस एंटायर स्टोरी इज क्लियर टू यू. So let's now convert our score into career. Let's proceed ahead and let's make better career. Thanks a lot, and I welcome you in advance in the family of YourPedia Education. Thank you.